Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, today I will show you how to open SBI bank account directly sitting at home. That is totally online procedure. You need not to go to the branch and totally it will be paperless. You can get your debit card as well as your internet banking and savings account all at a time within 15 days. And this can be done from your Android phone. So I will show you each and every step. So stay tuned and watch the video. From your Android phone, you have to go to Play Store. After going to Play Store, you have to type here YONO, YONO. So you can see this is the app YONO SBI, mobile banking and lifestyle app. Already I have downloaded and installed it in my phone. So open it. After opening it, this is the first page of the YONO app. Now you can see there are total 3 options. Below the page, below the first page of the YONO SBI, new to SBI, existing customer, I have activation code. So as I am the new to SBI account, so there is a plus sign, so click here. After clicking here, there are the 2 options will come, digital savings account and Insta savings account. Now you can compare here, no minimum balance is required here, here also no minimum balance is required. Single branch visit is required. Here for digital savings account, you have to visit the branch. And Insta savings account, instantly it will be activated. So no need to visit the branch. Personalized debit card you will get from digital savings account, and here RuPay debit card you will get. And here account with full KYC. Here full KYC will not be done. You will get the Insta savings account with some limited facilities. What are the limited facilities? Aggregate balance up to 1 lakh and aggregate of all credit during the year not to be exceed 2 lakh. But you can withdraw these limitations if you visit the branch within 1 year. So this is the very convenient and easy to open account with SBI, that is the Insta savings account. So I will opt for that. Click apply now. Then go to apply new. So check the box and click next. Then put your mobile number and here referral code, that is optional, so I will not put here. So submit now. Now already I have filled up all credentials here, and for the security question I have given one answer. Then click next. So here one notification is there, please complete the application within the 15 days of start, otherwise the data entered will be lost. Okay. So now FATCA CRS declaration. So you have to click here. It is mandatory to click here. Then next. Then you can see here clearly total 6 steps are there. I am now in the first step. Now here you have to read this instruction. You have to give the Aadhaar and PAN card details here one by one. So first of all you have to check this box, then go to the next. So now details, choose any one of the following. Scan Aadhaar card, Aadhaar QR code, enter Aadhaar number, enter VID number. So I will choose enter Aadhaar number. So now put the Aadhaar number, then click on submit. One OTP will come, copy the OTP. Now paste here, enter OTP here, then click on the next. Now you can see your details which are on the Aadhaar card is on the screen. So you cannot edit here, but check it once again. Already okay, then click on the next. Now city you have to put here your birth city. This country of birth you have to put India. Then citizenship, choose from the drop down menu India. Then nationality India. Then click on the next, and you can see the address already on the screen according to your Aadhaar card. Now here select state, sub district, village town, then click on the next. Now enter your PAN number here. Now click on next. Now your photo will be uploaded to the SBI account. Now click on next. Now additional details you have to fill it up here. Tell us the little about more yourself, educational qualification, postgraduate, Now additional details, marital status. Then additional details you have to fill: maiden name if any, father's name. If there is no middle name, then leave it. Now mother's name, now first name, last name. Click on the next. Now annual income. Then additional details: occupation, service, others, business, not categorize. Additional details: occupation, service, private sector, public sector, government sector. Then additional details: religion, Hindu, Christian, Muslim, Sikh, others. Next, nominee details. Then scan on the nominee details. So you have to put here the relationship. Then click on the next. Now nominee details you have to fill. As it is the same address with your address, then click here. Then click on the next. Then select your branch by locality. Locality name you have to put here. Now you can see this is the address, it will come. Then click here, then go to next. In order to proceed, you are required to read and agree to all the terms and conditions of the savings bank account. So you have to read all these things until you will reach the end of this paragraph. It will be not ticked until you go to the end of this paragraph. Then you have to click here. Now go to the next. Now OTP has been successfully sent to your mobile number. Okay, so copy this OTP and paste here. Then next, click on the next. Then debit card details you have to put here. You will get personalized debit card delivered at your corresponding address with 15 days of the account being opened. Now click on the next. Now account has been opened here. You can see all the things has been given. So you have to take the screenshot of this thing. Already the bank has sent all these details to your mail also. So account type, account number, CIF number, branch code. You will shortly receive an SMS with a temporary user ID. Use this user ID along with the application password to complete your internet banking registrations at UNO. So this is the complete registrations of the account already opened, but you can register your internet banking with this. It is written here, so we can do that. Now the next step, what you have to do, that is the registrations of internet banking. For that you have to open the Google browser, and in the Google browser you have to write onlinesbi.com, onlinesbi.com. Here it is. Now click OK, and this is the website of the SBI, and you can see there are personal banking login and corporate banking login. As I have opened the account for personal, so you have to log in here. So now you can see continue to login. Now these portions you have to fill: username, password, and the captcha what is given here. Actually this username has been sent by the SBI bank through SMS, and password you will get what you have given at the time of Insta Savings Bank account opening. I have filled all the credentials, that is username, password, and the captcha. Then you have to log in here. Now welcome to SBI's internet banking. You have logged in for the first time. So first of all you have to choose one username. Username will be case sensitive, and then accept the terms. Now you can see we have put here username according to my choice, and check the username availability. So you have to click here, username is available. Okay. Accept the term and now submit. Now choose login password. Now we have put one login password which will be strong, and reconfirm the password according to the instruction here. Now we'll confirm it. Welcome, it is written my name. Now you can see this is the UNO SBI, and already I have opened the bank account, so existing customer I am. So click here and log in using the internet banking ID. So now yes, username, I'll give the username here, then the password, then referral code, that is optional, you needed to fill there. Now submit. Consent to the MPIN, so you have to set one MPIN. Click next. Now set a permanent MPIN of your choice for your account. Now I have chosen a MPIN for the internet banking, and now click next. Now an OTP has been sent to my mobile number, and that OTP you have to paste here. Paste, and then click next. Congratulations, you have successfully registered in the YONO app. Now click OK. Now this is the YONO SBI account interface. So from here you can do everything about the banking systems. Just using the MPIN, I can log into this YONO SBI. So thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos.